Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to download CapCut in Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your Android device, open up the Google Play Store and then logged into your Google account. Now from the search bar at the top of this interface, type in CapCut. Now again tap on CapCut. Now from this page, tap on install. Now your app will get downloaded depending upon your internet connection. Once it is downloaded and installed on your device, open up the application and then follow all the instructions, and then you can enjoy editing your videos. So that's how you can download and install CapCut in your Android device. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.